And I watched you slowly practice this and get better and better at it during the tour.
Yeah, there was a lot of downtime. There was a lot of time where I was, done with looking at my phone and I was like, I'm gonna get better and better at this. And I got that much better. But I learned a physics trick that makes it easier. Spin the dial. Spin, shoot. Can lifting make it spin? Spinning.
Okay. Ball.
Go on. The way to do it is to get the cup right underneath the ball just as it has 0 velocity. And then you just place it right there. Otherwise, it's going to bounce.
I am going to turn the ball first because that's the most complicated part of this arrangement.
Huge balls, like 2 inches.
Right.
1 inch high.
0.372 inches.
That's just like a huge.
What you call grippy.
Ah, yeah. So that's like a shock.
You
each
don't
time
want
an
it to
uneven part.
grab.
Like I would imagine a pillow would be really grippy.
Yeah.
Because it would just form around the tool, and then now
Exactly.
it's holding on to it.
It's the part that I'm the stickiest about.
Oh yeah. How do you hold the ball firmly enough?
I will show you. Close around.
Oh. So okay, that's how you'll.
Right. It won't wobble at all when you bring it into a hole.
Ah. Where the string's knot is. Where the string's knot is. You're lifting from the middle of the sphere rather than the edge. Well, I can't catch it normally.
Well, that's a great question.
I didn't realize how many types of string there are. Physics terminology for like rigidity,
Uniformity, dead center. The monofilament. Rigidity,
stiffness is
I think we want to look for uniformity. Uniform, way more uniform.
torque.
It's long and straight.
Oh, cool. It's
something
really
more like
nice
that.
and gentle.
Yeah.
Cases.
Well, sometimes it's all about a machine that's big enough to
Right.
take off chunks of stuff that is heavily resistant to being removed, like
Right.
steel or iron, and giving it a structure that it won't move or bounce. Everything. The drill press isn't made to resist.
18 inches.
We can embiggen it if we need to.
Let's compare how the damas hang, because yours seemed quite short, but
Oh, it
yeah,
is
look
a
at
little
that.
shorter.
And I think that may have made it more difficult for you.
It could. The spins a bit. It'll materials and how fast they want to move. And that's not
Use your own.
and material removal here. And when I get this to line up, right? This comes out. Do it as a test. I'm happy with this. We're gonna hug it out. That was
course.
awesome.
What was I thinking? Dahmer.